hybrid.
Jollibee. Hybrid. Hybrid, so mix of electric and fuel. Oh.
Can you take a seat? Press okay?
Okay.
Just
Yes. You can okay or you can explain. Okay.
which
Done.
Dada.
Scanning, what's the problem? From
Dada. What do I press?
Toyota Australia. Yep. Scanning, what's the issues of this car, guys?
Okay. Prius 2015.
Huh?
Australian vehicle.
Dada.
You wait for the instruction, baby.
That's
Okay. Okay.
Auto.
Okay. Okay.
oh, what? Which?
Press the screen.
Australian vehicle.
Yeah, press the screen. Either you can yes or no or just press the button.
So 2000. What year is it? Select year model.
I don't know.
What's the year model?
2015.
2015. Arrow down, baby. 2015. And then select. No, 2015. Okay. And then. So select model type, Dade. What model type? Arion, Camry, Camry Hybrid,
Huh?
Prius. Arrow down, baby. Arrow down. And look for Prius. No, there's not Prius. Land Cruiser, down. Prius. Prius or Prius? Prius, Prius lang. 1.8 L4.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Camry vehicle identification vehicle 2015 Toyota Prius. Engine.
Huh?
Look for
Check the odometer.
bin.
Match.
Bin number.
Huh?
That one, the odometer.
Odometer is
Have a look at
124.
Press onto.
No. You see this one odometer is 124,924. Is it match here? It says match.
I'm trying to listen to Daddy.
Yeah,
But
have a
I
look
can't
how many.
hear,
The
'cause you're
odometer
talking.
is there. There. 124,924 kilometer. Yeah. And that's 124. Yeah, the same. Okay.
Yes.
You say okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Code scan.
Oh yeah, that's the one.
Yes?
Yes. Before continue, ensure ignition key is on. So. Oh wait.
Sorry? Oh, yeah, he's there already. Well, 3:15.
Hold on, hold on.
I'm waiting for Daddy.
Read what they said.
Yeah, yeah.
Before continuing, ensure ignition key is on. Engine is off.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay. Oh, do you have to go?
Yeah, I go to that.
Oh, okay, okay.
Anyway, I just listen to that.
Okay, I can, or I can take you my number. Do you want me to take you my number? Maybe it's better.
So we have to wait. We have to put the power on
Is your
and off. Yeah. Right.
But yours, huh? Dry. Dry your
So I think we just said continue, but I think we have to turn on the engine.
I have to wait for Daddy.
Yeah. Yeah, we wait for that. Next is to engine on. Engine is off. So power on, baby.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, you did.
Pro scan. Pre-scan. Pre-scan. Yes. System is analyzing. 6% detecting transmission. So while it's analyzing, huh?
Grab the wire, man. Grab the wire. Okay, yeah, I'll close it.
So it's a hybrid car, a Toyota Prius hybrid car, year model 2015, and you can see the year model. Where I can find the year model that day.
Okay, that's it.
Here. So you can find the Toyota Motor Corporation Japan. So it's made in Japan. Model, engine number, frame number, color, trim, occupants. So it's here, July 2015. So Toyota Motor Corporation in Japan, and then was made built July 2015. So that's where you can find what year model is this car.
Put that in 60 minutes. No, 60 na pa. 60 na pa. I-heat up na.
So this is the engine of Toyota Prius model 2015 hybrid car. So in this video is just a car maintenance. Toyota Prius 2015 hybrid car. Ibig sabihin po ng hybrid is use dual. Hybrid car is using petrol but then generating electricity. Dual. So dual system. They are using a fuel, but then at the same time it generates a power from running. Yeah, am I right? Something like a generator. Oh, it's draining the oil. Yeah.